everyone! Welcome back sa Elexhub channel. Have you ever wondered kung paano nadadetect ng air purifiers ang dust sa air? Or kung paano nyo monitor ang air quality at home? So in today's video, gagawa tayo ng ating sariling dust monitoring system using the GP2Y1010AU0F sensor and an Arduino. So let's get started. First, ano nga ba ang GP2Y1010AU0F? So, ang sensor na ito ay isang optical dust sensor na nakaka-detect ng airborne particles like dust and smoke gamit ang infrared LED and a photodiode. It works by using an infrared LED to emit light into the air. Kapag present ang dust particles, they scatter the light. Then, madadetect ng photodiode ang scattered light. Kapag mas marami ang dust na present, the more light is scattered. And then, the photodiode detects a stronger signal. Mako-convert yung scattered light sa analog voltage that we can read with an Arduino to measure yung level ng dust sa air. So, meron siyang 6 pins. The VCC pin na nagpro-provide ng power sa sensor. The ground pin is the ground connection. The LED ground pin that connects to the ground of the LED circuit, and the VLED pin na nagsusupply ng 5 volts to power the infrared LED sa loob ng sensor. Then, the VO pin is the analog output na nagpro-provide ng voltage based sa dust density na na-detect. Finally, the LED control pin na ginagamit para makontrol yung LED sa loob ng sensor. Next, let's proceed to the components na gagamitin natin. So we have the GP2Y1010AU0F dust sensor, an Arduino board, the 220 microfarads capacitor para ma-stabilize natin yung power to the sensor for accurate readings, then a 150 ohms resistor para malimit natin yung current through the sensor's LED. Of course, kailangan din natin ng jumper wires and a breadboard to make the connections. And with these components, we're ready to set everything up. Let's now connect the sensor to our Arduino. So here's our wiring diagram. Let's break it down. So the sensor needs 5 volts to operate, so we connect the VCC of the sensor to the 5 volts on the Arduino. Then, yung ground ng sensor, we connect it to the ground on the Arduino. Mayroong internal infrared LED yung sensor natin na we also need to control for accurate readings. So we connect the VLED sa 5 volts ng Arduino, but we add the 150 ohms resistor to limit the current. Then we connect the LED ground sa ground ng Arduino. So mayroon din tayong 220 microfarads capacitor sa pagitan ng VLED and LED ground. Then, para mabasa natin yung dust levels, we connect the sensor's output pin or the Vout to an analog input A0 on the Arduino. Then, we need to turn the LED on and off for measurement, so we connect the LED control pin to a digital pin like D2 on the Arduino. And that's it. Now, let's move on to coding. So first, we define our sensor and LED control pins. Ang sensor's output ay connected to A0 and the LED control pin is D2. So in the setup function, we initialize the serial monitor para ma-display ang data, and we set the LED control pin as an output. Now, in the loop function, we take a measurement by turning on the sensor's LED for 280 microseconds. Then we read the sensor's analog output and turn the LED off after a short delay. Next, we convert the sensor's analog reading into voltage. Gamit yung voltage, we calculate the dust density in micrograms per cubic meter. Finally, we print the dust density to the serial monitor para makita natin yung real-time air quality measurements. And then we add a short delay again before natin kunin yung next reading to prevent the excessive updates. And that's it. Kapag tapos na kayo sa coding, you can now upload it to your Arduino. Then, let's now proceed to testing. Here are some of the dust density readings that we're seeing from the sensor. So these values represent the dust density in micrograms per cubic meter. Kapag mataas ang number, ibig sabihin mataas ang concentration ng dust particles in the air, meaning poorer yung air quality. Now let's blow some powder near the sensor. As you can see, the volumes increase, showing more particles in the air. And that's it. Now you know how to use the GP2Y1010AU0F dust sensor with Arduino to measure air quality and dust levels. Pwede nyo na siyang gamitin sa inyong air quality monitoring system. If nakatulong ang video na to sa inyo, you can like this video and subscribe for more projects like this. If may tanong kayo, drop it in the comment section and we will be happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy making!